Hello, 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 and welcome to our second period of computer science principles. Let's go ahead and get right into it. This was a very straightforward time to set up some accounts and to get ready for our first topic, which we will be starting next week. Now, looking here at our agenda, we finished up that assignment that we started the previous time called Who Am I? If you are not quite sure what I'm talking about, if you go to modules on our website, it is posted right here. It is the first assignment, so titled 000101, Icebreaker. You need to complete that if you haven't yet. What that requires you to do, if you recall, is to create a small slide about yourself, your interests, hobbies, and anything else you'd like to tell me. And we took some time in class to present those, so you missed out on that if you weren't there, which would be quite a shame, as knowing your peers is really going to be quite helpful to you moving forward. We set up some accounts, which I'll walk you through right now, and we did some classroom expectations. So let's go ahead and take a look at what kind of accounts you need and how you set them up. The first kind of account you need is a code.org account. To make it, please select the appropriate link for your period. If your period 1 it's this one, if your period 2 it's this one. And you're going to follow this link. You can get to this PowerPoint slide by, once again, going to our modules and clicking Week 1 Slides. And it'll take you to this very slideshow. Slide number 11 is the setup instructions. Now, when you make your code.org account, if you don't have one yet, please make your display name, not your username, but the one that's displayed, the last initial, or rather the first letter of your last name, so an initial, and then your first name after an underscore. So mine would be M for Mr. Menchikov underscore Fedor. That's my first name. So you follow this link, you create an account if you don't have one yet. You can continue with Google and simply use your school a given Google account. This is going to be a student account. Select your appropriate age. You can provide a gender if you like. And change your display name to be last name's initial underscore first name, please. Once you've created your account, you should be able to navigate to a page that looks something like this. And you should be in my section that's appropriate, either period 1 or period 2. You can check out the actual materials by clicking on it. You'll see that Unit 1 is the only unit available for you right now. And you can scroll through here and see what we're going to be covering. We're going to start with various information-based things, and then we're going to move on to other activities later. So I'll let you peruse that at your leisure. The next account you need is a AP Classroom account. So myapcollegeboard.org is the website to go for that. And then you're going to need to manually enter one of these codes depending on what period you're in. There's also a video posted right here that walks you through the whole process, so I'm not going to repeat that. Please watch that video if you need more help with that. After we're finished with all of these things, we went over some classroom expectations, which I will be posting again underneath these modules. The classroom expectations are important. We all contributed to these, so it's a shame if you weren't there to make your voice heard. If you don't agree with some of these, please let me know. Email me and we can work it out. Also, if you have a pressing one that you think isn't on here, let me know and we can work things out. That's all we did. Next week, we're going to be starting with content for the class. We're going to be beginning our binary number exploration as our first topic. I hope to see you there, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.